Aha! You have lost this time, but I shall show you mercy. Sir, remember about the renovation deal? You still haven't got
hold
to.
it. I have no time for your conversations. I have more things to think about. Please, be on your way.
Aha! But what if I were to show you? I have this to offer.
This is the Sunflower Kung Fu Manual. Where do you find this?
I will give it to you free of charge if you would take up my renovation deals.
All the moves are in here. Are you sure this is real?
Take up the deal and you will find out.
I on you.
Wise choice, sir.
I finally obtained the Sunflower Manual. What is this? To learn Supreme Kung Fu, firstly you must castrate. I shall do it.
Hey, you loser. What are you doing here? You want a rematch? Hey, man, what's happening to you, man? Oh my god, totally chopped off my hair. I'm so sorry. Take this, and this, and this, and this, yeah. Hey, you, stop it. Enough. Let's fight with swords. Oh my god, you're totally gonna lose. Like, are you ready? Oh my god, take this. You stubborn fool. I told you you were gonna lose. You're gonna believe me, huh? Oh my god. How did this happen? I totally followed everything from the manual. How can I lose? Did I forget something? Let me read it again. It must be mistakes. What is this? What? Instruction manuals? To learn Supreme Kung Fu, you must castrate. But if you have talent, you need not castrate and will succeed. If you do not have talent, even if you castrate, you will not succeed. Oh my god, I'm totally dying right now.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.